Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Task View with Windows key plus Tab. This displays all virtual desktops so you can act. Once Task View is visible, glance through each desktop thumbnail and identify the ones to delete. Make sure to save files or drag open Windows back to Desktop 1 because deleting a desktop moves its windows. You don't lose saved documents, but unsaved work could be lost. When ready, hover or focus a thumbnail. This is the first actionable step that begins removal. Now delete desktops by hovering a thumbnail and clicking the small X in its corner. You can also press delete when a thumbnail is selected. You do this one desktop at a time because Windows transfers that desktop's open windows to the nearest remaining desktop. Watch for window movement to confirm success. If multiple desktops exist, repeat the action deliberately. Make sure you leave at least one desktop active. This controlled removal prevents accidental loss and keeps your workflow uninterrupted. Finish by opening Task View again to confirm only the desktops you want remain. You should see Desktop 1 or your chosen primary desktop left. If windows seem missing, check other desktops and use Alt plus Tab to locate apps, because deletion moves windows rather than closing them. If Task View doesn't update or the X button is unresponsive, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or reboot. That resolves UI glitches and preserves your windows and settings. This troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.